Stapler instincts just took over.
Wow, Beep and Free Food seem to think it's a race.
Guys, aim for the cliff. We need to delay the impact.
If we don't make it over the cliff, we'll be first to hit the ground.
We're not gonna make it.
How do we steer this thing? There's no way to change the airflow. Woody, you're a genius.
Everybody, we need to slow this plane down.
Well, I don't think our jabbing is enough.
Tape it, please. Wake up.
David, you're back.
I think we're gonna make it.
1,000 kilometers away.
Ancients, I hear screaming above us.
You're probably having a sudden nightmare. I get them too when I'm around Flower.
I hear it too.
Oh no, guys! I think the other teams chased us down this hole, and I don't want to have to forgive them for that!
They're gonna fall on us, and I hate being landed on!
They're falling so fast! We'll all die on impact!
Good thing I have my secret weapon.
To just dig sideways.
Oh.
Jerry! Come at
Right.
Yo, why don't I split you into two?